Hi, I'm Mimbo. Pray for Myanmar together. Today, I would like to talk about the country of Myanmar. It is going on the earthquake magnitude 7.7 Richter scale. This earthquake is very strongly in the east of Myanmar. Therefore, there are a lot of people die, injuries in homeless in others way, since buildings are devastating in destruction, and also causes are sinkhole in areas rivers was drying. Thousands of people die. Some people are missing. A lot of people blocking under this college building. The epicenter of Myanmar, the guy bridges in the historical history, the palace of Mandalay, the ancient world was gone. We are known that in Myanmar's going or civil war in facing with the big enemies of the military gender groups. They didn't want us to have in safe for Burmese civilians. They had only to destroy the countryside or areas in a by bombing. That's for enough money in a lot of scam. These people were consist of pregnant women in the youngest child in the oldest grandma in grandfather. That's why we don't enough to save and rescue arson as my country, especially Burmese country. We have from Burmese people. I do wanna speak cars. These societies are people humanitarians from another country. Just now, Burmese situation is emergency needs to have in safe in recuse in infrastructure building. Depends on from another countries. Burmese equity new is the has lies new in all over the world on shaking. I think that will increase just for the in future just coming. This situation for stopping every Burmese people connecting. In fact, we need to donate for the guys Mandalays in epicenters of Myanmar. We need to tie for keeping with each other. We won't never forgetting for having just this situation for Burmese people, just for every countries, and I wanna recommend for every Burmese people. We waste time to donating for Burmese people. Bye bye.